Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable identity verification with Experian for insurance applications, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the identity verification process with Experian for insurance applications, visit the Experian website. Locate the section titled Identity Verification. Click on Get Started to initiate the verification process. You will be prompted to input your personal information. Provide your full name, date of birth, and social security number as requested. Next, enter your address details. Make sure to include your current address and any previous addresses if required. After entering your information, review it for accuracy. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Experian will then ask you a series of questions to verify your identity. These questions may include information about your credit history or past addresses. Answer each question to the best of your ability. If you do not have enough information to answer, there may be an option to receive alternative questions. Once you have answered all the questions, submit your responses. Wait for a moment while Experian processes your information. You will receive a confirmation of whether your identity has been successfully verified or not. If verified, you can proceed with your insurance application. If not verified, follow the on-screen instructions for further assistance. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your verification status. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case. Once your identity is confirmed, continue with the rest of your insurance application process. If you encounter any issues during the verification, reach out to Experian customer support for help. They are available to assist you with any difficulties you may face. By following these steps, you can seamlessly enable identity verification with Experian for your insurance applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.